Look how Tesla is growing, as Tesla nearly doubled its headcount in 2020 as global expansion accelerated. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please join our community subscribing to our Torque News channel and ring the bell for daily Tesla and electric vehicle stories, several a day. Eva Fox reports from the Tesmanian.com that Tesla nearly doubled its workforce around the world in 2020. I mean, can you imagine nearly doubling its workforce? I think it's now worldwide. Actually, I will get to those numbers a little bit later, and because I know that in 2020 it increased the number of employees by almost 30%, actually 30,000 people. But this testifies to the enormous pace of development of the manufacturer Tesla, which also has a hugely positive effect on the development of the regions where Tesla enters the market. In fact, look at Giga Berlin. Look at the excitement. How many people do daily drones and updates from Giga Berlin? Some from Gigafactory Texas, some from China. Several people do updates. This because Tesla, wherever goes and makes a Gigafactory or business, it positively affects on the development of the regions where Tesla enters the markets. Eva Fox says that the past year has become very difficult for all people on the earth. The economies of all countries suffered heavily losses due to this virus, in which we're, I guess, still going through. The unemployment rate has risen significantly everywhere, and tens of millions of people around the world have lost their jobs and livelihoods. Nevertheless, despite this, Tesla showed unique results, as in 2020 it increased the number of employees by almost 30,000 people. Imagine how many people Tesla will hire, maybe 10,000+ in Giga Berlin this year, plus another 10,000 in Gigafactory Austin again this year. So I think at least 20,000 more people will join Tesla in 2021. Imagine if Tesla adds the Gigafactory India, which is rumored, how many people will work there. Now, Eva Fox also says that in these unprecedented times, the company has grown its global workforce by 47%, according to the 10K filing. Thus, at the year ending December 31, 2020, Tesla employed 70,757 people worldwide, which is up from 48,016 people in 2019. So Tesla in 2020 employed 70,757 people worldwide. In my calculation, Tesla will add at least 20,000 jobs this year in manufacturing at Giga Berlin and Giga Shanghai, and Giga Berlin and Gigafactory Austin. Giga Shanghai is expanding, also the battery factories, and I think Tesla will enter also Indonesia for battery mining related something going on there, because Indonesia doesn't allow graphite and other battery related materials to be exported without manufacturing there. And also the service centers that Tesla will open worldwide, and I think, and people who have to manage these and battery packs and power packs and so on, I think by the end of 2021, in my opinion, Tesla will easily have 100,000 employees. That's not a number to aspire for, but that's going to talk about Tesla's astonishing and amazing growth in 2020-2021. Now, Eva Fox from the Tesmanian.com also says that in the past year, in 2020, Tesla expanded into many markets around the world by opening and expanding offices, stores, and service centers. However, the main credit for such a large increase in the number of employees belong to the rapidly growing businesses in China through Giga Shanghai. Giga Berlin also played an important role in achieving this result, as Tesla has been recruiting employees for the factory for several months now. It is still doing that, and in the beginning a lot of people who worked for the Giga Berlin were the contract workers, contract companies. They were not directly Tesla employees. The fast-growing Giga Texas is also requiring constant requirement of the new employees. So, and here is a quote from that. As of December 31, 2020, our full-time count for our and our subsidies employees worldwide was 70,757. To date, we have not experienced any work stoppage as a result of labor disputes, and we consider our relationship with our employees to be good. Our key human objectives capital in managing our business include attracting development and retaining top talent while integrating diversity, equity, and inclusion principles and practices into our core values. Let me know, friends, what do you think about Tesla's plans of growth? How much do you think Tesla will grow in 2021 in terms of headcount, in terms of employees? In the meantime, this is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. God bless you, everyone, and see you soon.